Hello everyone. Welcome all of you to that. Today I'll be sharing a good news with all of you. The person who is a well-known experienced cartoonist, he is acquainted with multiple famous personalities of various fields around the country. Let's find out who he is. He is Mr. Anjan Satheesh, the famous cartoonist. He is very enthusiastic in imparting his knowledge in art. Are you interested to learn? Let's see who all can take part. All children below 5 to 12 years can participate. Things that are required for the class are paper, pencil, colors, and related other items you will need for a drawing class. The timings of the class will be at 4 o'clock on coming Saturday. Participation is open to all who are interested. Do share the video. Thank you.